Hello, welcome to the Jamaica Tourist Board webinar mini-series. These webinars are created to give information on specific themes and niches. Today's topic deals with activities that involve the wonderful rivers, waterfalls, warm and beautiful Caribbean Sea. My name is Donovan. I'm the Business Development Officer and I cover the Southern United Kingdom. My colleague Shanika covers the Midlands and the North. Both our email addresses are listed. Do contact us if you need further information. We are here for you. We like to start our presentations by speaking about Jamaica and where it is located in the Caribbean. Jamaica is the only Caribbean island that is completely surrounded by the Caribbean Sea. We are 90 miles south of Cuba and just over an hour's flying time from the United States, Florida to be exact. So it's a perfect destination for twin destination holidays with the United States and of course with Jamaica. Some quick facts about Jamaica. We're roughly 10,991 square kilometers. Our capital city is Kingston, but our tourism capital is Montego Bay. We speak English, and we have a population of 2.8 million people living on the island. The word Jamaica is derived from the Taino word Examaca, which means the land of wood and water. We have several waterfalls and wonderful rainforests that stretch across the length of the island. Let's get wet. We have wonderful waterfalls, as we said. Over 120 rivers and streams, many of which has cascading waterfalls. Here we have the Duns River Falls, perhaps the most visited attraction on the island. Duns River cascades some 600 feet down to the beach. Nowhere else in the world you can go to the beach to climb a waterfall. We have Wise Falls on the south coast, a beautiful tiered waterfall. From a distance, it looks like the perfect wedding cake. Wise Falls has several activities that include zip lining, which are also available on the property. We also have waterfalls, which are a bit more hidden. On the eastern part of the island, we have Somerset Falls, accessed by a small boat. Beautiful locations for photo shoots and, of course, private weddings. We also have Reach Falls, and as you can see, Jamaica has several waterfalls. Many of them are great to visit while on the island. Let's look at another attraction or activity you can do that involves some of the many rivers we have in Jamaica: rafting. Bamboo rafting is one of our signature attractions on the island, and it is done on 4 of the rivers that we have. River rafting is very relaxing and very romantic. You're on a 30-foot bamboo raft being pulled down the rivers by your raft captain. And again, it is something that we encourage everyone to try while in Jamaica. For something that gives a bit more of a rush, we also offer whitewater rafting. Not on many rivers, but it can be done. And again, we have something for everyone. Not into being on a raft with several people, you can go river tubing, a fun and exhilarating activity to do on some of the rivers that we have in Jamaica. As we say, there is something for everyone and all needs. Let's look at our lagoons and blue holes. Again, an island with over 120 rivers, there are lots of opportunities to dive in and get wet. Lots of blue holes, lots of lagoons to visit. We have the Blue Lagoon in Portland, said to be bottomless, but it's over 200 feet deep. The Blue Lagoon was actually the setting for the movie The Blue Lagoon that starred Brooke Shields. We have the Luminous Lagoon in Falmouth, where the water when agitated, glows a mysterious blue, and it's done by the bioluminescent algae which is in the water. Let's look at snorkeling and scuba diving. Let's get wet. For those people who can't scuba dive, you can get resort certification while there. Something quite easy to do and is offered by many of the larger properties on island. Once you have your certification, if you're not, you can, of course, enjoy up to 4 dives per day. Have a cool red stripe bear on us is one of the quirky things that we say. But look at all the fish, the turtles, the stingrays while scuba diving. If scuba diving is not your thing, you can easily snorkel, as many of the reefs are within 100 yards of the shore, and you can interact with many of the colorful fish that are there in quite large numbers. Let's look at the horseback ride and swim and the sea trek. We like to say in Jamaica, we have wonderful seahorses that you can ride. Not the typical seahorses, but horses that enjoy a good swim. The horses head out to sea, and when the water is deep enough, they actually begin to swim. And it's an experience that you must experience when you're in Jamaica. The sea trek has you on a short underwater walk wearing the helmets through a marine park. Here you get to interact with many of the fish, and again, something for someone who is not really interested or not too confident about scuba diving, but gives that experience of being under the water. Many resources are available. We have our attractions and tours guide, as well as our Jamaica guide. And of course, our website, visitjamaica.com, is a storehouse of information. If you need one of our guides mailed to you or emailed to you, you can contact us and we'll be happy to send it to you. Of course, we also have our Jamaica Rewards portal where we invite you to become a Jamaica travel specialist. Sign up on jamaicarewards.co.uk, learn and earn more about Jamaica, receive cash rewards, monthly cash rewards and incentives, and of course, earn places on our Sell It and See It fam trips. We do have monthly newsletters which we send out, and brand new is Euro accounts for Irish agents. Thank you very much. And we do welcome you to join us in other series or others in the Jamaica Tourist Board webinar mini-series.